If you want to sell a GoDaddy domain, this video will walk you through the exact steps in a simple, beginner-friendly way. Whether you're trying to sell one unused domain or you want to put a valuable name up for sale quickly, this process can help you get your domain listed in just a few minutes. And if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more practical step-by-step guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you need to do is log into your GoDaddy account. Make sure you're signing in with the same account that owns the domain you want to sell. Once you're in, head over to your account dashboard and look for the section called My Products. This is where GoDaddy keeps all of the domains and services attached to your account. After you click My Products, you'll see a list of your domain names. Find the specific domain that you want to sell. Next to that domain, click DNS. This is the area where GoDaddy lets you manage important domain settings, so it's the right place to start when you want to list a domain for sale. Once you're inside the DNS section, look for domain settings. Click that option to open the management tools for the domain. In this menu, you should see an option that says List for Sale. This is the feature you need in order to make your domain available to buyers. Click List for Sale, and GoDaddy will bring up the listing setup screen. Here, you'll need to set your buy now price in US dollars. Take a moment here and choose a price that makes sense for the domain. If your domain has a strong keyword, short brandable name, or commercial value, you may want to price it higher. If you just want a quick sale, you can set a more competitive price. After entering your buy now price, review everything carefully before moving forward. Make sure the domain name is correct, the price is what you intended, and the listing details look good. This is important because once the listing is live, buyers will be able to see your domain for sale. When everything looks right, click Publish Listing. At that point, your domain will be listed for sale and visible to potential buyers through GoDaddy's marketplace process. From there, interested buyers can discover it and purchase it at the price you set. That's really all there is to it. In just a few steps, you can log in, open My Products, go to DNS, access domain settings, choose List for Sale, set your buy now price, and publish the listing. It's a straightforward way to turn an unused domain into something that could generate cash. If you found this walkthrough helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching and good luck selling your GoDaddy domain.